Hey everybody, I'm Lorna, and I want to share a little bit about my journey. I'm retired. My husband and I are both retired. My husband's actually disabled. He had a transplant a year ago, a little over a year ago, and so then I retired too from real estate as a real estate agent so that I could support him in his year-long recovery. And what we're finding, being on just Social Security and a small pension, is we're living paycheck to paycheck. Like we don't have any extra at the end of the month to do things that we were hoping we would be able to do in retirement. Like number one being out to travel. My husband loves to play golf, and it's quite spendy to go golfing. So, he manages to be able to go once or twice a month, but he'd like to be able to go more often than that. So I started looking for a solution to that, to just create some additional income. And I was looking online. I wanted to be able to find something I could do online to generate a passive income. I knew that that's what I wanted. And I ended up running across this digital marketing blueprint that kind of combines a lot of things I was looking for. I was looking for digital products, which have become very popular, especially since COVID. People were staying home and creating how-to videos and PDFs, and I thought if I could create a how-to something, I could market that and sell that product. I also looked at affiliate marketing where I would be promoting other people's products and doing that online. A lot of people, do that with Amazon and have an Amazon link and promote that way. I looked at doing that, and then I looked at doing social media and building a social media platform like a YouTube channel. I actually follow this gal on YouTube. She does thrift flips. She takes and buys stuff at thrift stores and then kind of reworks it and then resells it. And I know she makes way more money on her YouTube channel in ads than she does actually selling those items. So I thought, what can I do in that realm? I ended up running across this blueprint. It's a digital marketing blueprint that combines all three things: digital marketing, affiliate marketing, social media. It teaches you step by step how to, even if you don't have a product or a business already set up, it teaches you what you can do to launch that. And you don't need a product to do it. And so I'm totally, you get paid daily. You can make, the commissions are great. You can make $300 a commission. You sell one a day, that's like 110,000 a year. I mean, it's like, that would be incredible. So if you're interested, I put some links down in my description below. Check it out. And yeah, I think you'll be interested.